Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make crab pasta step by step. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil, then sauté garlic in olive oil until fragrant, add crab meat, a splash of lemon, parsley, and toss with al dente pasta to finish. Use about 1 pound of pasta, reserve 1 cup of cooking water, and adjust salt and pepper to taste. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon zest. Sauté shallots and garlic gently to build flavor, then deglaze the pan with white wine or pasta water. Simmer briefly and fold in crab meat carefully to avoid breaking lumps. Then add cream or olive oil for a light sauce, toss with pasta and reserved cooking water to create a silky finish, and taste for seasoning before serving with parsley and lemon. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation. Try the Echo Dot smart speaker to bring music into your kitchen while cooking. It fits small spaces and sounds great for timers and podcasts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Consider it a handy kitchen companion. You'll love hands-free control while you stir and taste. And now let's get back to the video. Finish by plating with care, nestling pasta into shallow bowls, topping with crab lumps, chopped parsley, lemon zest, and a drizzle of olive oil, and add chili flakes if desired for heat, or a splash of cream for richness, and remember to reserve some crab for garnish. Serve with crusty bread or a simple salad so diners can mop up the sauce and enjoy every bite. Enjoy with a chilled light white or sparkling water alongside for balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.